What's up, foodies, and welcome back to another episode of Nerdy Nibbles.
Today we're gonna make jalapeno poppers because that's my recent addiction. I made 3.5 pounds of jalapeno poppers the other weekend. Then my boyfriend was just like, "Why?" To get some fresh jalapenos from wherever you like to get them, the store, farmer's market, your neighbor's garden, I don't care. So it's gonna be jalapenos, cream cheese, Mexican cheese, creole seasoning, and bacon bits. Oh, you cut yours differently.
Oh. This is how I do them.
See, like I cut the tops off, and then I cut them in half.
I've only made them with cream cheese and bacon before, so this is how I did them. So
Kara's like, I'll just switch to this.
This is new to me, but it sounds super yummy.
Go, here's a bowl for the tops.
Cool.
Okay, it's recommended that you de-seed them because you're gonna need to obviously have a spot. Use a spoon, knife, your fingers, I don't care. It's supposed to look like that. Oh, and side note, wash them, obviously, before you start doing anything. I feel like that's basic knowledge for everyone, and I shouldn't have to tell you to wash your stuff. But I did anyways, in a nice tone. I wasn't judging at all.
And do not rub your eyes.
Oh yeah, don't touch your eyes.
I've made that mistake a couple times.
Or your no-no parts. I picked some really good jalapenos this time.
Sometimes the stores be having these really skinny, ugly looking ones.
You mean raggedy?
Yep, those grungy looking ones.
So I stopped by my dad's house the other day, and I had asked him, "Hey Dad, you want some jalapeno poppers?" And he goes, "Sure." He took the whole container of jalapeno. I'm not mad that my dad took the entire container of jalapeno poppers. I just wasn't expecting him to lose so much. I was like, okay. And I was like, you know what? I've probably eaten enough jalapeno poppers right now. He never gave me back my container. He said he'd give me back my Tupperware. Thief. I'm just kidding. Because there's been times where I brought his container for like several years. And here I am mad that he's had it for a few days.
Yeah, my mom was at my house and she was looking through my things and she's like, "This is mine." I was like, "Oh,
it's not.
Is it?" Oh.
My mom would be all like, I would borrow her hand mixer, and she's like, "I want my hand mixer back." I'd be like, "What for?" It was still in the box, brand new, hadn't been used.
I mean, if you're not going to use it, I'm going to use it.
Oh, well, then I broke it.
Oh, you sure did use it.
I did. I used it for like a while, and then like I broke it. I was like, "Oh, well, now I have to go to Walmart in the middle of the night." Because I had cupcakes I was delivering the next day, so you know, better make it work. Also, we have these pizza trays. I filled those pizza trays with jalapeno poppers. Both of them. They were delicious. And they were gone, because everybody in the house ate them, not just me.
Well, I would hope so.
Well, it was mostly me.
Just you and 2 trays of jalapeno poppers. Okay. Yeah, I would hope you share. Yeah, that's a lot.
They are delicious, and these are a problem, because now I want to eat them while I'm at work. Eat them at home. And I'm like, well, technically, jalapenos are good for you. If you wanted to make this a healthier version, you could use low-fat cream cheese and low-fat cheese and I guess not have the bacon bits. But you should treat yourself, even if you're doing it healthy. And these are like the perfect gaming snack because you just pick it up and eat it. I'll save that one for you.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome! Alright, I forgot to mention that while you're like de-seeding and cutting, preheat your oven to 350. Alright, give us like 2 seconds to just clean up here.
We're still recording?
Yeah, we're still recording.
I noticed if it's a long video, it just cuts off.
Yeah. That's what happened with the Reese's
Yeah,
bar.
I was like, oh, it wasn't in there?
It was recording. Are we recording? Yeah, let me go do that. Stop recording.
Oh, okay, are we recording?
Oh, no.
Oh.
You're like, I'm not saying ready.
Well,
Starts recording. Blah, blah, blah. Andy's gonna be so upset. Alright, are we recording? Alright, I was gonna say, stop recording.
Alright, snickerdoodles.
I'm sorry, I'm just laughing. Can handle a self-driving car. Gotta write. Gotta use paper.
Damn.
Great.
Big.
Oh, he never got
It's
the
like-
pie video.
An excuse to like make it again.
Yep.
So now you're gonna open up your cream cheese. Use whatever brand you want. I don't care. I want to mix it in this beautiful bowl my sister got me. See? It's pretty. It has flowers on it and it's beautiful. It was for Vitro Spring. She lives in Alaska. It's like snowing still, I think. I don't know. I don't live there. Yeah, so she goes, Liz, you should come move to Alaska. And then proceeds to go, but we're in the middle of a real blizzard right now. Like, up a real blizzard, and it's like -20. I was like, hey, sis, I love you, but that's not, maybe don't start with that. All right, so we have 2 packages and a half. Use however much you think you need. I have, how many pounds of jalapenos did we buy? Okay, we bought at least 2 pounds. Kihro recently went to Legoland?
Yep.
Was it just Legoland or did y'all do something else?
No, just Legoland on the beach. Yeah. We just took the day and then drove back pretty much.
Well, dang.
Yep.
Kara has a fun experience to share about that trip.
Now the rental car just died in Yuma, Arizona, where nothing is around.
Dateland isn't even in Yuma.
Their solution was to rent another car that was there, but I'd have to return it back in Yuma. Like, so how much? But I'm just back to where I started.
You're right. You just back to square one.
So I paid $250 for Uber. Uber.
No, I think that sounded better. It's just like with Alex's stream. It was like, I can't even pronounce it wrong. I'm also using this other cream cheese I had in my fridge because it was just living there.
The more the better.
I'm also concerned that we didn't buy enough. I didn't say how
Yeah,
much
I
to
didn't
buy.
know how many.
I didn't say how much to buy. That was my bad.
It's all good. I was like, I should just get 2. Just kidding. I feel like 1 block per pound. I feel like that would be enough.
When I made the 3.5 pounds of jalapeno poppers, I did 3 containers of cream cheese.
Sounds about right.
Alright, bacon bits. This doesn't have the little thing in it. The little package that you're not supposed to eat. Yeah, the little snack. We're going to be using Fry's brand Mexican cheese because it was on sale. It's not half a bag, it's about a cup. We're going to do
More bacon.
bag and a half,
Hold on with bacon. That one has the packaging.
I think. I said I wanted a snack. You didn't make the peppercorn. Whatever your ancestors say is enough, is enough. If your ancestors don't know necessarily about seasoning, probably start with a tablespoon. That's enough. You get a hand mixer, unless you want to use your muscles if you have them. I don't have them yet, so hand mixer for me. Did I tell you sorry going to the gym?
Mm-hmm.
So then you're gonna mix it. Just need to move to the other side here. And what I just did was add a smidgen more for the Creole seasoning. You could also use Old Bay, I guess, if you wanted to. Make sure it's all fully mixed in. Okay, so that's fully incorporated. I'm not licking cream cheese off of the beater. This is not cookie dough. Oh my god. Do you all hear what I have to live with?
I don't think they get to because he edited it out.
But he leaves my facial reactions in there. Did you want to lick it? Oh, okay. A spoonful. I will say you don't need like a whole spoonful. Like Kairos is so overfilled right now.
I was like, I was about to say.
You're gonna have to just clean that up a little bit, and then you just Put it down on your little paper. That looks good. Does it look the same? Let me copy your test.
Story of my life.
I'm just trying to get them as close together because we only have 2 sheets and all these jalapenos. We have these 2 sheets that I have set up for us to use. That's it. We're not using the pizza pan.
No, I'm not saying we have to use it. I'm saying we have like another 4 sheets.
No, it's fine. I don't have enough jalapenos for 4 sheets. Do you want to go out and get more jalapenos?
I'm pretty sure you do.
Oh yeah, do I just have a jalapeno plant? I don't. My dad does though.
I mean, the way you're eating these, you probably should just scroll down.
Okay, you know what, Kihro? You're not helping the situation. Yeah.
I love me. Thought I would get in there, you know.
Kihro's like, well, yeah, I said. Marcy wouldn't even look at you.
How dare you come here without me?
Who said you could come? I didn't invite you. But your mother invited me. Huh, interesting.
Without my approval.
You didn't even bring your child. Interesting. Okay, they're not gonna be like perfect on the sheet, but like do your best to make them perfect. Well, we're gonna probably have to go look at more jalapenos at some point. Hear me out. Dehydrated jalapenos as chips. Because then you can make this and then it's dip. Hey, that was a good idea.
I mean, they do have jalapeno chips.
No. I want jalapenos. I don't want jalapeno flavored chips. You also don't want to overfill it because then they might just like not be in the jalapeno anymore. They'll run all over the sheet and then you'll be set. You did all the work for nothing.
I would have just dipped it in it.
Okay, now. So now that you've filled your jalapeno poppers, you got them on your sheets, take your panko breadcrumbs, or whatever breadcrumbs you want. But this is the best brand, and the best brand. And then you sprinkle it on top. I have short, tiny arms, so I'm not gonna be able to reach them all. Don't die.
Try not to.
So I'm editing her making fillers, and the entire video is just like her peeling carrots way over here and potatoes and whatnot, and then chopping them over here. And she's like, "They are." I'm like, "Why do you take the whole?" She's like,
Okay. I love how you said that, but you still ate this. Alright, so now what you want to do, after you spin these breadcrumbs, pop it into the oven for 10-ish minutes.
10-ish.
Honestly, however long you like your jalapenos. I like them to be a little bit crunchy, so.
Dang.
Don't know why I said it like that.
Crunchy?
Yeah, I don't know why I said that. We'll be back when they're done.
Hello, and welcome to an episode of Where's the Footage? It's a podcast inside of a podcast telling you where the footage went. Today we're discussing the lost footage of us eating the jalapenos and reenacting the scene of Toad and Frog eating all those cookies. And my fellow nibblers, I'm here to tell you, we filmed it. I was there. It was there. It disappeared. I don't know what happened to it. But what I can tell you is how tasty they were. I love cooked or roasted pepper. They still have a snap to them and they still have that crunch that is specific to vegetables. And then they start gaining that sweet taste that you can only get from cooking vegetables just for a little bit. Mixing that all with the rich savoriness that the cream cheese had with the bacon bits and the saltiness that was coming through that was just fighting back against just that little bit of moisture that was coming from the cooked peppers. Not to mention the fact that they are just this perfectly plateable pepper. It's 2 bites. The first bite is just your mouth filling with all that deliciousness that I was just talking about, and the second bite is just waiting for you. Be like, yeah, you've got more of that coming, buddy. And then the fact that you don't have to fight with a stem still hanging around. It's just done. It's 2 bites. It's gone. You don't have to like put anything off to the side and wait at the edge of the plate. It's just done and gone, and you throw the plate away and you don't have to worry about anything. We made, as you saw, a whack ton of peppers, and I don't think they lasted until Wednesday of that week. If it wasn't for Miss Liz yelling at me to stop eating the peppers the entire time through the Reese's Bark and Oreos video that we shot that same day, I don't think they would have lasted until midnight. All that being said, we are making steps to make sure that footage isn't lost and it actually ends up in the editing. I cannot encourage you enough to go ahead and give this recipe a shot. Maybe don't make 3 pounds of jalapeno poppers, but if you just want to grab a pound of them, make a fun little party snack, or even make it a party, like with tamales. Anyway, I've rambled enough for this video, so I guess it's my turn to do the sign out. If you know my previous works, this is going to be a great throwback. Don't forget to do the YouTube dance, like, sub, hit the bell, comment your thoughts, and make sure to share this video with all of your friends. It does help the video a lot. Next week, I think we're doing something with lemons, if I remember correctly. Oh well, I'll see you there.